Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. So I'm live here in my account, and you'll see on the right hand side here now, commissions are $56.60. And more importantly, I want to share with you, I want to take you inside the members area and show you exactly how the system works step by step and what you're going to get. There's a free video to here, so it's called Mega Link, this part of the OLSP system. You promote one link and there are up to 7 passive income streams, and this is the owner, Wayne Crowe. And if you want a free video tour, it lasts about 10 minutes, a free video tour by Wayne, then there'll be a link in the description where you can take that free video tour. Let me just show you here inside the commissions. So I'll show you, go into your commissions, and I'm going to blur out members' information for privacy. And you'll see here, in this column here, we've got the balance, a total of what I just showed you there of $56.60. And these are the commission amount, so they're ranging from $7. There's a couple in here at $10.80, and these are for the Mega Messenger product. So Wayne does all the follow-ups for you, which I'll just show you some of those shortly. And so there's one link and up to 7 income streams, and that's just showing you some proof there of those. And what I want to show you now is I'm going to go back into my dashboard. I want to show you the quality of the training there. I think this free training here that you're going to get, these 2 free trainings, I mean, there's multiple trainings, weekly trainings, ongoing. But when you first join, you come down here and you'll see free here and free here. So the first one, how I made 10 million in commissions. And all you do is click on there to access that product. And Wayne Crowe, that's this gentleman here, he's a product owner. He's going to show you, and it's also perfect for beginners. So the ultimate secret for absolute beginners as well. He's going to teach you step by step how he's made $10 million in commissions, the systems that he uses, the processes that he uses. And the other training in the members area, or the free training here, is called the 100 commission hack. Click on there to access the product, and this is the page here. And this is how he's been able to pay out $2 million in commissions, and he wants to pay you out commissions as well. And he just shows you one there that this is for everybody. So maybe you're brand new, struggling to make consistent commissions online. Maybe you're an intermediate or an advanced marketer, and you want to add an additional income stream to your portfolio. So one of the reasons that it's great for beginners is that you get a done-for-you lead capture page. So if I go just briefly back into my members area and go back to the top here. So in the top right hand corner, this is my affiliate link here. So you will get your promotional link. That's called a mega link. And all you do is you just promote that one link. And this is the lead capture page that they give you. Bear with me, this one here. So you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to have an autoresponder and pay for monthly autoresponder membership fees. The done for you follow-ups go out. So when your prospects opt in here, then what happens is, I've kept the emails here just to show you the ones that I get. So what Wayne does, he follows up with your prospects for you, and he puts your affiliate link into these emails. So you'll see when I joined on the 5th, I logged in. That's me joining, and then even though I've joined, he still sends out emails. So I sort of used a different email address just to show where these emails come from. But you'll see every single day he's sending out emails with your affiliate link in. Now this one here is to a webinar. So it's not just sending out emails with links in that are linked to sales pages. It's showing people the value. Wayne just gives absolutely superb value. So he's showing people webinars of how this system works. And then your link will be in this email here. So he's promoting you with follow-up emails. So his system, really, everything is step by step, is absolutely superb. And the Facebook group, you'll see here, has got 142,000 members. Wayne is very active within the Facebook group. All the members are very active in the Facebook group, helping each other. Wayne does live trainings in the Facebook group as well, weekly live trainings. So everything's current, everything's up to date, and everything's it's a complete system where you just get one link and no monthly membership costs. And what I'd also like to do is just make an income disclaimer. Not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. Just showing you what works for me. We've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System and also become an affiliate and promote the system as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support me on my YouTube journey. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So I'm currently doing several new videos every week. Got over 1,000 videos now on my channel. If you've got any questions about OLSP System, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So if you do want some more information, or you want to join, or you just want the free video tour, then I'll put this page here in the description, and you can just put your email address in there, and that will take you through to this page here, and then you can get this free video tour from Wayne. And there's also a lot more information on this page as well about what the mega link actually is. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.